trade down? No, I wouldn't. I look for a break and a retest. Yes, I have to be more patient with it, but I'd rather be patient than FOMO into any trades over here. And I'm certainly not going to take any trades here. I want to see price get to this level, retest the level. So basically aggressive buyers fail, which means sellers are in control. Then we short, just like that. That's what I was looking for. The red line is very important. I'm going to explain why. So now that we come into the level, boom, there's only two things that can happen at the level, right? There's only two things. We can either go long or we can go short. That's it. Now, this is how we decide. This is how we decide. Execution at 67.56. What we can see here, quickly going over the order flow, because I don't think the idea today wasn't about order flow, it's more about levels. But what we can see here is as we bit too quick. As we retest this level here, my entry would come as price is crashing below the red line. So I'm not looking to enter here or in the zone. I'm looking to enter after we get down to this break line here. This will keep you out of a lot of losses, everyone. Just wait for price to get here and have a slightly wider stop loss. Have your stop loss here or here or here even. Have it here somewhere, yeah? If you look at...
Sorry, I just had a quick question. That red horizontal line from the previous break where you drew it, is that because that is where price had officially broken that level sufficiently for you to draw that line, or?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Because if you look here, it's the candle.
Okay, that.
Yeah, look, you see that candle that broke the zone? There, this one.
Right.
That's the bottom of that candle. That's all it is.
That's the bottom. So you take the bottom of the wick as being the final area where you're willing to draw that horizontal line.
I know some people.
Got it.
I know some people would say.
No, all good. I totally get it. It's all good. Wherever you are drawing it, that's just all I wanted to know. Thank you.
Yeah, you could have it. You could do it slightly differently. There's no right or wrong answer to this.
No, totally. I just wanted to understand your rationale.
And it was a good trade, right?
So, and it worked perfectly.
And where I targeted specifically was this area, this one here. So this 15-minute fair value gap. I got out.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Some people say prematurely, but I think what you'll find is the S&P 500 on the 1-minute chart, it reacts, same with NQ, it reacts so violently to 15-minute fair value gaps. I prefer just to be in and out of the trade. There. And I think
I mean, it was a perfect trade.
It was the best trade of the week, man. I think it was the best trade of the week. Although, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break down Thursday gave us a really good opportunity as well. I know you can see.
Although I would say the trade from the previous day, your level, had you got in long, I mean, you would have bought in at the absolute low, and your drawdown would have been minimal to next to none.
Yeah. I'll tell you what I did on Tuesday. I'll show you what I did on Tuesday.
I mean, you would have bottom ticked it.
Yeah. I didn't. I hesitated and stayed out. It would have been a good trade. I just didn't take it.
Oh yeah, whatever.
Another thing, just stacking confidences like we spoke about earlier. So this is in premium. The weekly opening price is somewhere down here. This was our established level from the 2nd of October. So it gave us more reasons to short. Now, okay. Now Thursday. Basically, Wednesday and Thursday were exactly the same. Right? So if I go to the pre-market plan for a second and show you how I did this. So, one second. Here we are. So this was my idea for Thursday. So this was the money play. Right? This was the money play. So this was the short from Wednesday. I'm saying we're waiting for price to come here. So basically, I don't want to trade because I didn't want to trade here. Can someone tell me why I didn't want to trade at this level? There's something that put me off about this level.
Maybe you're too far above the wick is already significantly large and your risk.
Yeah, you're right. I also, it's too close. This is the weekly candle. This is the weekly opening price. So I don't like to trade near the weekly opening price, right? I want to be selling above or buying below. So I didn't want to trade at this level. I wasn't really interested in this level. So if we go, so basically the whole play was to get to here and then take shorts.